How to plan your review schedule. Let's do this. Check how much time you have. Make it a point to plan it down to the day. Get a calendar if you have to. Be realistic. Consider all factors, such as sleep time, rest time, break time, attending bar review classes, and other obligations, etc. After figuring that out, divide your time accordingly. Prioritize remedial law. Since it is the subject with the highest percentage, it can make or break you. Find your weakest subject and try to allocate a few more days learning it. Your goal should be to cover the entire syllabus of all subjects, at least twice. It is always better to know a little bit about everything than to be hyper-focused on one subject matter. The first reading is for understanding the subject matter. Do not forego comprehension for speed. The second reading starts on the Monday of the week of the exam. This time, you can read it faster since it will just be a review. Do not waste time figuring out answers to complicated hypothetical questions. It probably will never be asked. On the next video, we'll be answering whether you should attend review classes and mock bar exams. Don't worry. You've got this.